Samuel Atkinson Waterston, born November 15, 1940, is an American actor, producer, and director. Waterston is known for his work in theater, television and film. Waterston, having studied at the Sorbonne in Paris and the American Actors Workshop, started his career in theater on the New York stage, appearing in multiple revivals of Shakespeare. In 1977, he starred in an off-Broadway production of Measure for Measure as Duke Vincentio alongside Meryl, Streep and John Cazale at the Delacorte Theatre. Throughout Waterston's theatre career, he continued to appear alongside actors such as Raul Julia in Indians. 1969, James Woods in The Trial of Catonsville Nine. 1970, Liv Ullmann in A Doll's House. 1975, Jane Alexander in Hamlet. 1975, and Glenn Close in Benefactors. 1980. In 1993, he portrayed Abraham Lincoln on stage in Abe Lincoln in Illinois, where he received Tony Award, Drama Desk Award, and Outer Critics Circle Award nominations for his performance. In 1974, Waterston played Nick Carraway in The Great Gatsby. 1974, alongside Robert Redford and Mia Farrow, earning a Golden Globe Award nomination for his performance. He also appeared in Woody Allen's Interiors. 1978, the Walter Matthau comedy Hopscotch, and Michael Cimino's Heaven's Gate, both in 1980. He received critical acclaim for his portrayal of Sidney Schanberg in Roland Jouffe's The Killing Fields. 1984, for which he received a nomination for the Academy Award for Best Actor. Waterston continued to appear in multiple Woody Allen films including Hannah and Her Sisters. 1986, September. 1987, and Crimes and Misdemeanors. 1989. He also appeared in The Man in the Moon. 1991, alongside Reese Witherspoon in her feature film debut, John Waters' Serial Mom. 1994, and Oliver Stone's Nixon. 1995. Recently he appeared in Miss Sloane. 2016, and On the Basis of Sex. 2018. In 1973, one of his early television roles included a television film adaptation of Tennessee Williams' The Glass Menagerie, alongside Katharine Hepburn, among a variety of other television roles. He is perhaps most known for his iconic starring role as Jack McCoy on the NBC television series Law and Order, 1994–2010, for which he received a Screen Actors Guild Award along with Golden Globe Award and Emmy Award nominations. He also portrayed Abraham Lincoln in the miniseries Lincoln, 1988. From 2012 to 2014, he portrayed Charlie Skinner in Aaron Sorkin's political HBO drama series The Newsroom alongside Jeff Daniels. In 2017 he appeared in the Emmy Award-winning Western limited series Godless on Netflix. He is currently starring in the Netflix comedy series Grace and Frankie. 2015–present. Alongside Jane Fonda, Lily Tomlin, and Martin Sheen, he has been nominated for multiple Golden Globe Awards, Screen Actors Guild Awards, British Academy Film Awards, and Emmy Awards, having starred in over 80 film and television productions during his 50-year career. He has also starred in numerous stage productions. All-movie historian Hal Erickson characterized Waterston as having cultivated a loyal following. With his quietly charismatic, unfailingly solid performances, Waterston received a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame in 2010, and was inducted into the American Theatre Hall of Fame in 2012.